Area of your fortune sa iyong swerte ay Four of Swords. Answered prayer ang nakikita ko dito. Four of Swords is also a time for you to recharge, to just lay low and rest. But also this card of prayers. Nakita mong darasal siya. So everything that you prayed will come true this week. Just have to be patient and have this stronger faith sa mga kung ano pong pinapaniwalaan ninyo. But you really have to have that stronger faith na kung ano man yung dinasal mo ay matutupad. So since this is in the area of your fortune, kung ano po yung dinasal ninyo ay matutupad, you also have this wonderful time to rest. You will be given like maybe a day or two to rest, o kung mag-invite sa'yo na magbakasyon, go for it. O kung may mag-invite sa'yo ng videoke for a night o inuman, go for it because it's time also to relax and have fun. The Four of Swords is being clarified by the Four of Wands. Yeah, celebration.